Hi everyone, and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into ScaffoldIQ and we're going to show you the process of how to set up a request. Let's get started. Right, to add in a new request, simply go into your map, or you can go into requests itself. I'm going to use the map on this demonstration. I'm going to choose my area and where I want in it. So I'm going to put one in Carcroft. So I need to choose requests on here. Then I'm going to zoom in roughly where I want it. So I'm going to pick this house here. And if you wanted to know exactly what street names so you can get it perfect, change it from satellite to street view. And as you can see, I'm going to stick it on New Street. So it doesn't matter either if you're in street view or satellite view. I'm going to click on add. I'm going to stick this on this house here. Click OK. And now have this pop-up box what you'll fill out all your information for this scaffold. You got your location, description, dimensions of the scaffolds, what's required, when it's needed for, plan dismantled, plan build. Fill out as much information as you can, as this is the request stage. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay, because you can change this information whenever's needed. So I want to fill this out now. So I fill out my dimensions, what's estimated to be needed. So I'm going to say it's going to be 4 meters, it's going to have 10 legs, the width 4 meters again, and so the height I'm going to say around 7.5 meters. It's going to have 3 lots of decks. Base elevation I'm going to put 2.5, and then I'm going to fill out this information. So when it's needed for, I'm going to say it's 13th today, so I'm going to say next Friday. Plan build is going to be next Friday as well. Plan dismantled week after, 28th. So the requester, obviously this is me filling it out, but I can change it to whoever I've added into my account. Okay, so I could put a Doncaster Council person in, Dave Smith. The approver of this request will be Dave Smith again, because this is the client I'm doing this estimation for. The scaffold user, same again, and I'm going to assign it to this scaffolder who's dealing with this. Okay, so I'm going to choose myself. As you can see, it's picked my area because I picked Doncaster, and obviously my sub area is Carcroft. The project is for maintenance. The contractor is Doncaster Council. Priority, it's a low priority. If you've got an order number, place that order number in. Load rating, it's going to be a medium duty. Yeah, and that's all your general information needed. You can add in your safety document straight away. This is planned, and obviously you get your first approval. I'd recommend setting up your safety document, but for this it's just a demonstration. Any comments regarding the scaffold or any requirements from the customer for this, any attachments, so I can add my attachments in here, or I can choose down here, just select that folder, and then I'll put a picture of the house in. This is the house I want to work on, so the guys who's going to be looking at this job or building the scaffold know directly that this is the house that they're going to be doing the chimney stack on. Okay, so if it don't look like this, obviously it's in the right house. As you do know, mistakes happen, history of anything that's happened, and obviously request priorities. So yeah, general information filled out for this one, and then click OK. And there you go, that's been added as a request. And then if you go into your request for number 18, as you can see, there it is, and I can click on it, and there's the general information. And if I need to see any more information on it, I'll just click here, and there you go. I can see all the information, or anything I need to add in, I can add in straight away just by clicking edit. And if I don't need that, say if you've put your estimate forward for your client, he said no, we don't need this anymore. If you don't need to save the information regarding this job anymore, you can just click delete, and it will automatically delete everything regarding this request off. So I hope this helps. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.